Okay, so here we go with the next build for this week. This is the donut truck, and I had to have it. It's food and it's a donut. It's a donut truck. You get two figures with it. You get the truck itself, and the back of it comes off to display like a little kiosk to sell them. If you can see there on the back of the box, little kiosk bit, so it lifts off the back of the truck, which I really like that. So that's the back of the box, that's the front of the box. Nice and simple. If you're building a city or you like the city vehicles, then this is definitely one to get. $19.99, not really any scratch that itch, but hey, it's 196 pieces, set 60452. So I'm going to be building this one as well. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of any of the builds that I do. If you want me to do things differently, also let me know. And I will see you when the build's finished. Thanks for watching.
A few moments later.
Okie dokie, so nice little donut truck. I really like this. Very, very cool. A few little features on it. Nice little build as well. It's got a little bit different shape, which I kind of liked. Let's go through the figures first. We've got, I thought this was kind of cool. You got like the policewoman with her $100 or whatever they are, 100 Lego stud note. She's got a nice little bun hairstyle and the police outfit on the front, print with the belt, and on the back with the badge. She's kind of cool, I like her. And the shoe is, she's got two faces, one with little closed eyes, like a, this donut's awesome, and then one big smiley face. So she was very cool. Let's get this, there we go. Okay, so that's the policewoman, policeperson, policewoman, I don't know the correct way to say that really. And then we've got our little donut guy. I kind of like him. He's really, really awesome. He's got his little kind of chefy hat kind of thing on, which is all slanted. He's got a print that's carried on around the vehicle as well, which is really cool. Nice blue, white and brown colour scheme. There is no alternate face for him, obviously, because he's got a little hat on the top. And he's got his blue hands, which I'm taking are his gloves because he's handling food. So he was awesome. Now the vehicle itself, the first thing I need to show you, if I can get it all in focus, is this little donut does go round, which was kind of cool. So you can position it wherever you want. I wish you could find a tiny little motor so it just spins around on its own, but then I'd be asking too much for a Lego set right now. Okay, so we've got the two plaques, one here and one over here, showing, right in there, showing the donut sign and which donut to go for. They're all ring donuts, which is cool. And then on the top, you've got donuts sitting on the top, obviously cooling off or something from being cooked. You've got your little muddy machine here and a mug, which is cool. And then inside we've got some donuts piled up and another little mug on the other side. And on this side, oh sorry, and you've got the canopy here, which I thought was a nice little touch, being yellow and white. On the sides we've got the stickers here, which kind of carry on that theme of the dripping icing, which is nice. On the other side you've got the same thing. This time you've just got a glass, whereas the other side is open. You have got doors that open up on the vehicle, which is kind of cool. You've also got a door that opens up on the back, which is how he gets in, up on the step. You've got your rear lights here and your indicators. And on the front you've got your headlights, which is really awesome, and your two little mirrors. And then from there you can take the roof off to see the coffee machine in there under the mug, and get your little man in there serving like so you can stand in there. So he's kind of cool, relaxed and chilled. You've also got the roof that lifts off, so you can get your guy in there driving his van after he's just given people their coffee and donuts, which is a good thing. I love the front of the vehicle. The shape is different. It's like half domes, quarter dome, joined together with a nice little grille. And then the awesome thing, well, the thing that I like the most, to be honest, is if I put that back on there, I can take that off. And it's a standalone shop, which is kind of awesome. So you've got the truck still here, flatbed truck, with the shop right there. So he can, I don't know how he lifts that off the vehicle, but somehow, must be strong, he lifts it off the vehicle. Maybe this is, I don't know, whatever. I'm being silly now. But yeah, it's like a standalone little kiosk, which is kind of cool. So he can go to events and serve people with their nice donuts and coffee. There you go. So overall, I really like the colour scheme of this. It's a fun colour scheme, you know. With the brown and the blue and the white. It's very, very cool. And then this just easily goes back on again. You're done. And your little man can go back inside the vehicle. Put the roof back on again. There we go. Let's sit him in there driving. He's got a central seat rather than one to the side, so it's a little bit tricky to get him back in again. And the last time I did this, I just took the window out the front because it's easier. And there we go, he's back inside. Put his windscreen back on, and then put his roof back on, and he is kind of ready to drive away after serving the policewoman with her donut stand. There we go. So there you go. All right, so that is it. That's the set in total. Nice little set, nice little vehicle. I'm staring currently at the ambulance I built, the camper van I built, the beach rescue set I built. Let me just quickly, there we go. So, and there, oop, there we go. So lots and lots of vehicles, which is awesome. Anyway, this is the star of the show for this video. This, I think, is the best one out of the lot, although very, very closely followed up by this because I love the colours. And there you go. Okay, finish the video, and I'll see you in the next ones. Click the like button, smash it, please comment, please subscribe, share with your friends. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers one day, hopefully, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.